Hey, what's going on, guys? We're back with another video, and today we are going to be okay. I swear, I almost pressed F4 there. Alright, now in today's video, we are going to play some Bed Wars for you guys, and if I win a couple of rounds, maybe uh, smash that like button right now and subscribe to my channel because to the YouTube oh my god, suspicious, oh my god, okay, I don't know what it's called, I forgot. YouTube suspicious says none of you guys are subscribed, so why don't you hit that subscribe button right now? And yeah, you guys, I'm so close to figuring out how to for you guys to join my server, so my server, I really forgot how to get people to join my server. So yeah. Alright, now we must play some Bed Wars. Yeah. Bed Wars for days. Yeah. Okay. Dear Cheese, I don't really play that much of Dear Cheese. Solo. No, how about two teams? I don't really care. No. So it's a fun. Okay, I'm gonna just do something. That's much better. Now, okay, so this oh my god, I hate when that is happening. Like your teammate always leaves. Like not really always, but just why, man? I am literally suffering. What the sneeze is always so loud. That's me. Now, next game, let's. Dude, I could literally see her, man. Ooh, that was such a block clutch. That was a block clutch. Oh my god. Gotcha. That was a literal block clutch. Broadbridge is not so good. Uh, all of my videos, I always fall. Dude, I'm out of blocks. I'm out of blocks. Do I have to do it? I'm dead. I'm dead. No! I didn't it. It didn't even kill me. I just fell. So wait, what the? Oh, I thought my bed was destroyed. I mean, I was confused with these videos. I don't. Nobody. Ooh, thought there was a void there. I died. Die, I mean. Oh, what? That was a literal. Oh my god, how do I not get those clips in my. So, that is a little. Let's see. Try. Wait. No! No! Oh! No! Come on. I can kill them. So how can you kill them? I'll be so smash them. Swear to God, and I swear, people so bad. I'm sounding like a tours and I don't sound like these players are new. My God. That dude literally like hit me, but he did not take that damage. Oh! Let's go for my bed. No! Why? Ooh! Ooh! My God, that was. Oh my God. Can I survive? Survive, man. But what? Ooh! I got a heal. Good life. Oh my God. Today is literal. Today is the best video in this. I believe it's something when Sky. I think I did, but I swear I always mess up. Dude, these block clutches, man, I swear. Okay. Oh, that's a big one. I learned that from Dream. Yeah, not that good in, but I might win this game. If I do, then it's okay. Kinda like Wally Bear. Wally Bear's a good guy, and I'm using his texture. No, it's not his texture. I have his texture, but this texture pack doesn't really scare me. I feel like I'm in part one when I die. I feel like I will never spawn. But I die. Oh my God, that was a good game. GG, I guess. Um, I swear, this game is really getting boring. This is okay. Must must yeah. Please, teammate, don't leave. Not leave. Oh my God, the worst. Wait, the green team disconnected. The both of them disconnected. Okay. I go for the green team in bed because they disconnected. I think I disconnect like yellow, it's white. Is that white? I look for the green team. So I think they do white there. They're just bad defense. I don't know. I like good bad defense. I don't know why. It's literally small. He's so good bad defense, man. Bad defense than anything else. TNT jump if you want. I'm not that good at TNT jump. So show you one of my TNT jumps. So let me do it. No! That's what I just said. It was a god. Okay, let's try it one more time. If we can do it, smash that back. Swear. Dude, this is so many bugs. There's die now. I don't really know to put, so don't judge me. Yes! Yes! No! Yeah, I should stop trying to TNT jumps. I'm trying to do my best. I don't really the catcher. I don't know how to TNT jump. That is literally like how simple it is. I mean, it's kind of easy, but I am the TNT jump too. These ladders, I can literally do this, but I can't do ladder save. It's a literal thing. Dream could do. Okay, trying it one more time. Trying, trying one more time. Try. Ooh, these block saves. My God. Eh, eh. Oh, yes, we did it. Let's say no to TNT jump now. Red team's going for their bed, so I should go for their bed too. Sure, save that. Now, let's just go for the bed. I'm really bad at No! My God, but save did not save me. Oh my God. I'm bad. I'm bad at it. I am. I'm literally not doing I should have done it. What is wrong with my leg? Could get him out right now. So, body. I mean, like, okay, then probably saying, how did I get there? Because I made this bridge here, so this should know I TNT jump. Should we TNT jump to diamond gem? Oh my God, to the diamond gem. Ooh, I swear if this does not. My God, I'm going for my bed. That's bad. Luckily, this is not Skywars. Don't really care if my bed destroyed. Dude, I really do not like this. Before I was doing so good. I was doing so good. Oh my God. Okay, just show you a bit of these PvP maps. I'm gonna. Okay, not maps, not really, but just I'm gonna show you. I don't know. I'm not that good. But I'm going to practice. So let's just do it. Let's just do it. Right. Now. Okay. Alright. Hold on. Wait, hold on. What? Wait. Where's my favorite? Slash kits. Okay. Still have to wait for some days and hours for this. Okay, I'm gonna do it this because yeah, I like that. That's right. Ah man, where am I going? I'm trying to look for something. Okay, I get it. I found it. Found it. Found it. Is my volume up? Yes. Found it. Now it's a thing here. Dude, that's how you do it, man. Dude, that's fourth is death, man. Open it back up. I wanna jump there. Dude, I'm literally trapped. I'm trapped. Try. Okay, I'm doing it. Watch my clutch. Boom. That's how much clutch I have. So much clutch goal I have. Oh my God, what's wrong with me? The wind there. So, out to go. And oh yeah, so please subscribe because that's gonna help the channel. Because I'm fucking channel. My videos had so much. So if you not like or subscribe, I would appreciate it. Really do want that. Oh! Dude! That's how much of a clutch I am. Dude. So